everyone, this is Conrad Brook, fourth generation agent, and I'm here with your monthly market stats report for October 2020. I can't believe it's already fall. And man, what stats these are. Boy, do I have some exciting numbers for you all. But before I go through those, I'm going to feature a community like I do every month. And if you have any questions on any of this information, don't hesitate to call me at 702-334-8301, or you can email me at conradsellslasvegas@gmail.com. So the community I'm going to feature this month, it's located in the far northwest of Vegas, and it's called Sky Canyon, and it's just a beautiful master plan community. It's fairly new. It's about, I'd say about 4 years old, and quite a large master plan community, but they have builders from Toll Brothers to Beazer Homes to American West, Lennar. Lennar has their next gen models, which has their own, pretty much their own self-contained living quarters within the house that has its own kitchen, separate living area, bedroom. It's called the Next Gen Suite. It's very, very popular right now. So they have that to offer. And the homes range from around $370,000 all the way up to $730,000. And there's 3 parks. There's a 4th on the way. And then it's all built around this community center called the Sky Center. And it's kind of like the hub of the whole community. And it's huge, and it's got the most beautiful gym you've ever seen. It's got a huge pool, big playground for the kids, a lot of community events there. Well, not since COVID, but it'll be back soon. They do a farmer's market every week with fresh produce that supports our local businesses. They have movie nights, things like that. And the coolest thing, I think, is there's a brand new Smith's over there that's supposed to be just gorgeous, Smith's grocery store. And rumor has it there's a full bar and they host happy hour, and apparently it's packed every day. So that I'd have to see. But that's Sky Canyon. Again, if you have any questions on it, please don't hesitate to ask me. Now, moving on. These stats are so good. We hit a record again for a median sales price. The median sales price for a single family home was $337,250. That's the highest in history. Just really great. That's up from $335 last month and up almost 9% from a year ago. Great appreciation rate. Inventory went down again. We're at 1.5 months supply. That is a shortage, folks. It's unbelievable, this shortage. That was down 8% from last month and down 45% from this time last year. So it's unbelievable, the housing shortage that we have. So if you've been thinking of selling, I can't emphasize it enough. This is such a golden time for sellers. Demand is so strong just because there's not that many homes to buy. But buyers, I don't want to discourage you by any means. I can still get you into a home. It's just, there might be a little bit of competition, but we have ways to get you into that house. And I've had much success with my systems that I use for my buyers. But one thing that is playing in the buyer's favor are interest rates. Interest rates are the lowest they've been in years. So I'll go over those in a minute as well. But another thing that's contributing to this market is the listings. Listings went down about a percentage point from last month, and closings went up significantly. We had a 12.4% increase in closings from last month and almost a 19% increase from last year. So you have more homes that are closing that are coming on the market, right? So the gap gets wider and wider. What does that mean? Less inventory. And less inventory means more demand. It's just common sense. So that's the explanation for this market. And because the less homes are coming on the market, I will expect these numbers to continue next month. Inventory will probably go down again next month, which is just unbelievable. I can't imagine going lower than 1.5, but it could happen. So again, sellers, if you're thinking of selling, please call me. I mean, you'll probably have multiple offers on your home. So yeah, that's pretty much it on that. Let's move on now to the luxury market, which is 1.5 million and above. Numbers went down significantly, actually. The median sales price for a luxury home was at $2,012,000 this month, and that's down from 2.725 last month. So quite a jump from last month decrease in luxury median sales price. Days on market remained unchanged at 48. 48's great. That's a good solid number. Sales price to list price ratio also went down significantly at 91%. It was at 97.4% last month. So that's quite a decrease in sales price to list price ratio. Why would that be? Maybe sellers are pricing their homes too high. It's really important, guys, to price your home right the first time, and that could definitely be an explanation for that. So that's luxury. Now let's move on to the interest rates. Interest rates went down. We are at 2.9%, and that was down from 2.91% last month, and that's from YCharts.com. Guys, any interest rate under 3%, that is such an historically low rate. I can't emphasize it enough. In 1983, rates were at 15 to 18%, and I'm serious. So over the life of loans, man, it is such a good time to buy too. That's pretty much it. Really, lower inventory, highest values in history, low interest rates. It's just a great place to be. Again, if you have any questions on these numbers, or if I can do anything else for you, don't hesitate to call me at 702-334-8301, or you can email me at conradsaleslasvegas@gmail.com. Now make it a great day.